I am Ronalyn.
And I am Liberty.
And we are from the Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology. Here again to interrupt your day with our next vlog. This vlog is a very helpful one to our students and for educational purposes. Right, Leb?
Yes, today's vlog isn't a nasty one but a helpful one. It may be easy but it's actually a difficult one.
So we will start now. But if you are a new subscriber, if you are a new viewer to this channel, please hit the subscribe button below. And if you are our previous subscriber, please hit the like button and like our video. Welcome to our grammar tutorial about the tenses of the verb. But first, we will define what is verb. Okay, partner, what is verb?
Okay, a verb is a word that describes an action, a state, and occurrence, and forming the main part of a predicate of a sentence, or in short, a verb is an action word. Done with the definition of the verb. Now let us proceed to the definition of a tense, and my partner Ronalyn will discuss it for you.
So a tense is a form of a verb that is used to show the time of an action. The past, present, and the future are tenses of the verb.
Today, we invited some of our friends from the College of Education major in English
to discuss to you about past, present, and future tenses of the verb. Are you ready, our dear viewers?
Let's welcome our first speaker, Miss Devera Swarin.
Hi everyone, I am Devera Ariola Swarin from the College of Education, major in English. I am here to discuss to you about the past tense of the verb. What is the past tense of the verb? As we know, the past tense of the verb is used to indicate an action, an event, or condition that has happened in the past. This time, I will give you the 3 examples of the past tense of the verb. First, Mrs. Swarin cooked a delicious breakfast for me last weekend. Example is, Family Mahinay went to Coron, Palawan last summer vacation.
And now we're done with the past tense of the verb. Let's move on to the second tense of the verb.
Okay, so now let us all welcome Mr. Eric Banjola.
Hi everyone, I'm Eric Albanjola from College of Education, major in English. Okay, today we will tackle about present tense of the verb. But before that, what is present tense of the verb? Present tense of the verbs is used to indicate an action that is happening, occurring, or existing right now. Or in the other words, present tense is an action that is happening right now. Take note, in present tense, we use base form of the verb and add s for singular nouns or pronouns. Example for singular noun, he swims every day. In plural, some birds eat worms and insects.
Of the verb.
So let's proceed with the third tense of the verb, the future tense of the verb.
And now let us welcome Miss Helen T. Pakulanang.
Hi everyone, my name is Helen T. Pakulanang from the College of Education, major in English. Now we're going to tackle about future tense of the verb. So, what is future tense? Future tense is a tense used to express a condition that has not yet happened or a state that has not yet exists. When using future tense, the helping verb will is often used to indicate that the action is forthcoming. So now I'm going to give you 3 examples for this tense. So first, Mark will go to Palawan next month. The second one is, my mother will cook adobo tomorrow. And the third one is I will eat later.
Okay, so we're done with the three tenses of the verb: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. And now may I call on Miss Jassel Pitundag to summarize all that they have discussed.
Hi everyone, I'm Jassel Patigayon Tundag, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. So based on the discussions earlier, there are three main verb tenses: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. So the present tense, it is used to indicate an action that is currently happening or the action is ongoing. So for example, Mr. Tan drives a truck. The verb drives in the sentence is in the present form. So in addition, the present tense is also used to indicate a universal truth, something that is generally true regardless of time. So the second one is the past tense, which is used to indicate an action that happened in the past. For example, Ginny needed good prenatal care. So the verb needed in the sentence is in the past form. So the last one is the future tense, which shows that the action will occur in the future. So it is usually formed with the helping verb shall and will.
Okay, so that's it. So we are done with our video about the tenses of the verb.
And we hope that you have learned something from this video and see you on our next vlog. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.